A capital case trapped between law and public opinion. Subscribe, like, and comment for more true crime stories that uncover the real battles inside the justice system. In 1997, a brutal double homicide shocked the small town of Corpus Christi, Texas. A young couple was found murdered inside their apartment. Within days, police arrested a 19-year-old named Juan Castillo, a teenager with no prior violent record. The evidence? A jailhouse informant's testimony and a disputed confession. Prosecutors called it an open and shut case. They argued Castillo had confessed clearly and voluntarily. The jury agreed. He was sentenced to death. But outside the courtroom, doubt began to grow. Advocacy groups questioned the reliability of jailhouse informants, many of whom received reduced sentences in exchange for testimony. Legal experts argued that Castillo's intellectual limitations may have made him vulnerable during interrogation. Others pointed to a lack of physical evidence directly linking him to the crime scene. Still, the victims' families demanded justice. For them, the verdict was closure. For supporters of Castillo, it was a system rushing toward irreversible punishment. As appeals moved through state and federal courts, the case became more than a trial, it became a debate. Should public outrage influence capital punishment cases? Can a conviction stand firmly when key testimony comes from incentivized witnesses? And when doubt exists, how much doubt is too much? After years on death row, courts reviewed the case multiple times. Each appeal reignited protests, petitions, and public arguments on both sides. The law said one thing. Public opinion was divided. This wasn't just about guilt or innocence. It was about whether the justice system can remain insulated from emotion, especially in capital cases where the consequence is final. In the end, the case remains a powerful example of how capital punishment cases can become trapped between legal procedure and public pressure, where truth, justice, and perception don't always align. If you believe justice should be fair no matter the crime, subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts below.